Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing you a Myers dissolver today. We're operating on 440 volts, running through the original controls. We're operating the lift. This is the down position. Open the handle. Has variable speed. Operated by this manual handle here. And you'll see on the side, this corresponds to a graduate right here. Indicate your speed. Slows down, running very true and smooth. Once again, the control here is the up position. And we're going to stop it right there. Change it back to down and drop the air out. We have lots of dissolvers in your stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.